Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So guys, when you open your App Store and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings first. And guys, first of all you need to make sure that your iPhone has proper connected with your internet connection. And guys after this you need to open your Apple ID. And guys after this, firstly you need to click on sign in and security. And guys you need to click on change password. And guys first of all you need to change your password of your Apple ID. And guys after doing this, simply you need to go back. Second method is you need to click on payment and shipping. And guys after this you need to remove all the old payment methods. And guys after doing this, simply you need to click on subscriptions. And guys after doing this you need to remove all the subscriptions from your iPhone. And guys the last method is you need to open your media and purchases in your iPhone. So guys simply you need to click on media and purchases. And guys after this you need to click on view account. And guys after this, here you need to put passcode of your Apple ID. And guys after this, simply you need to click on sign in. And guys after this you need to click on country or and region. And guys click on change country or region. And guys after this, here you need to select your country in which you have lives now. So guys, for example, I am going to select United States. And guys after this you need to wait for a new page opening. And guys simply you need to agree with these terms and condition. And guys here method. So guys expiry date and CVV security code. And guys below you need to write address. And guys street and so you need to select here your state and zip code and your phone number as well. And guys after this you need to save your all the informations. And guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone and sign in again. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.